everyone, welcome back to our WhatsApp Business API integration series. In the previous video, we have filled in your business details. Now we are moving to a step that sounds technical but is actually quite straightforward, creating an app on Facebook developers platform. Now before we start, I know the word developers might sound intimidating if you're not a technical person. Many people see Facebook developers and think, oh, it's so technical for me, I need a programmer, but trust me, you don't need any coding knowledge for this. I'm going to walk you through this in the simplest way possible, and if you feel stuck at any point, and stick around the video till the end, because I will share you how you can get a quick 2-minute Google Meet call with my team who will help you complete this step live. So don't worry, and we've got you back. Let me walk you through this step by step. First, you need to go to Facebook developers platform. Open a new tab in your browser and search for developers.facebook.com. You will land on the Facebook developers homepage. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a button that says Get Started. Click on that button. Facebook will now take you through a quick registration process for their developers platform. Click Continue to proceed. Now Facebook wants to verify your identity. This is a standard security practice. You will see a screen asking you to enter your contact number. Enter your phone number, click Send Verification SMS. Enter that OTP in the field provided and click Continue. Next, Facebook will ask you to confirm your email. Click Confirm Email button. Now you will see a screen asking you to select your role. Just select whatever role best describes you. If you're confused, select Other. After selecting your role, click Complete Registration. Great! You've now registered on the Facebook Developers platform. Now comes the actual step creation. You will see a button that says Create App. Click on it. Now you will see a form asking for some information. The first field is asking for your app name. What should you put here? My recommendation is to use your business name or something very close to it. For example, if your business name is ABC Enterprises, you can name your app ABC Enterprises. This makes it easy for you to identify this app later. Type in your app name and then click Next. On the next screen, you will see several options asking what you want to do with your app. This can look confusing. Here's what you need to do. Click on Others and then click Next. Now, you will see another screen where you need to select your app type. Look for the one that says Business and select that. Then click Next again. Here comes an important part. You will now see a field asking you to select a business portfolio. This drop-down will show you all the business portfolio you have in your Meta Business Suite. Remember the portfolio we created in video 2? That's where you need to select here. Now if you only have one business portfolio, that is easy. Just select that one. But if you have multiple options, make sure you select the correct one. Select the portfolio created specifically for WhatsApp Business API. Once you have selected the right portfolio, create app. Facebook will now process your request. This usually takes just a few seconds. You will see a loading screen and the boom. Your app is created and you should see your app name here. Now here's something very important to understand. This app is now linked to your business portfolio. The linkage is what Meta uses to connect everything together later. So even though you are not doing anything else in this app right now, its existence and its connection to your portfolio is crucial for the next step. Now we are ready to move on to one of the most important steps, business verification. This is where Meta confirms that you are a legitimate business. That's what I'm going to cover in the next video. Now let me address something very important. If you followed these steps but something went wrong, maybe you're not seeing the Create App button or the business portfolio dropdown is empty, you're getting an error message while trying to create this app, don't worry. You can reach out to us at lemonai.com and we are helping to figure it out. The contact numbers are given in the description box. My team will take you into a quick 2-minute Google Meet call with you, and we can create this app together on your screen. We are Meta's official tech partner for WhatsApp Business API. So if you've successfully created your app, give this video a big like, and if you're finding this video or the series helpful, please subscribe because we are going step by step through this entire integration. See you in the next video.